You can find everything you need for a last-minute 4th of July centerpiece from the dollar store. I'll show you how to make this festive centerpiece in just a few simple steps. For this project, you will need a glass vase, styrofoam, a garland, scissors, and various decorations that you can stick into the styrofoam, such as this pinwheel and these flag hearts, and then I have foam stars and skewers. Cut the piece of styrofoam or floral foam so that it fits inside the vase with some space around each side. Tuck the garland into the vase all around the styrofoam. You can use a skewer to get it down to the bottom of the vase if you need to. Fill up the vase and be sure to leave a tail of about 1 or 2 feet that you can tuck in between your decorations. Start with your largest decoration, such as this pinwheel, and stick it in the middle. Start adding your other decorations, making sure to stick them firmly into the foam. You want to make sure that things are different heights for interest and variety, so you may have to cut the ends of some of your decorations so that they sit at different heights. When you've got the main large pieces in, take the tail of the garland and wrap it around the stems, tucking it in to hide those best that you can. For filler, I found these foam stars that I'm just going to stick onto the end of skewers and arrange those in the bouquet just to fill in the spaces. Tuck in the end of the garland to hide the skewers the best you can, and when everything is arranged to your liking, you are finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week.